Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem, which is a into b plus c, which is equal to 30, b into a plus c, which is equal to 40, and c into a plus b, which is equal to 50. Find the value of a plus b plus c. So let's go to the solution. In the first step, we have to distribute the coefficients, that's a, b, and c. So for case 1, a times b plus a times c, which is equal to 30. A times b plus a times c, which is equal to 30. Let's say this is equation 1. And the second one, which is b times a, ab plus bc, which is equal to 40. Let's assign as equation 2. And for the last one, c times a, that's ac plus bc, which is equal to 50. And let's assign this one as equation 3. So in the second case, let's multiply, sum up or add equation 1 and equation 2. So as you have seen here from this one, equation 1, which is ab plus ac, which is equal to 30, and then ab plus bc, which is equal to 40 from equation 2, and it will be ab plus ab 2 times of ab plus ac plus bc, which is equal to 30 plus 40. Then it will be 2 times of ab plus ac plus bc, which is equal to 70. But AC plus BC from equation 3, it will be 50. So 2 times of AB plus, this will be 50, which is equal to 70. Then 2 times of AB, which is equal to 70 minus 50. So AB, which is equal to 70 minus 50, which is 20, divided by 2, which is 10. And then let's say AB, which is equal to 10, as equation 4. AC plus BC, which is equal to 50. Let's sum up this one. It will be, we have AC, so 2 times of AC plus AB plus BC, which is equal to 50 plus 30. So from here, 2 times of AC plus, so AB plus BC from equation 2, AB plus BC will be 40, which is equal to 50 plus 30, which is 80. Then 2 times of AC, which is equal to 80 minus 14. Then AC will be, this will be 40 divided by 2, which is 20. And let's say this is equation 5. So in the second step, let's add equation 2 and equation 3. So from equation 2, it will be AB plus BC, which is equal to 40, and plus, and equation 3, AC plus BC, which is equal to 50. So let's sum up this one. We have BC, so it will be 2 times of BC plus the remaining one, which is AB plus AC, which is equal to 40 plus 50. So it will be 2 times of BC plus AB plus AC, which is equal to 40 plus 50, which is 90. Then AB plus AC here is equivalent to equation 1. So 2 times of BC plus AB plus AC will have a value of 30, which is equal to 90. Then 2 times of BC, which is equal to 90 minus 30. This implies that 2 times of BC is equal to 60. Then BC will be 60 by 2, which is 30. And let's say BC, which is equal to 30, as equation 6. Now let's recall each equation. That AB, which is equal to 10, which is equation 4, and AC, which is equal to 20, which is equation 5, and BC, which is equal to 30, which is equation 6. Now, firstly, let's multiply equation 4 and 5. Equation 4 times equation 5 divided by equation 6, which is equal to AB times equation 5, which is AC, divided by equation 6, which is PC, which is equal to AB have a value of 10 times AC have a value of 20 divided by BC have a value of 30. This implies that this AC is cancelled and also B is cancelled. So the remaining one will be A times A, which is A square, which is equal to 10 times 20, 200 divided by 30, it will be 20 over 30. And in the next step, let's multiply equation 4 with equation 6 and divide by equation 5, which is equal to equation 4 AB times equation 6 BC divided by equation 5 AC, which is equal to, let's substitute each value, AB 10 times BC 30 divided by AC 20. This implies that, so A will be cancelled, C will be cancelled, so the remaining will be B times B, which is equal to B square, which is equal to 300 divided by 20, which is equal to 50. And then let's multiply equation 5 and equation 6 and divide by equation 4. It will be equation 5 AC times BC divided by AB, which is equal to AC is 20 times BC 30 divided by AB 10. This implies that, so A cancelled, B also cancelled, so C times C will be C square, which is equal to 20 times 30, 600 divided by 10, which is 60. Now from algebraic expression we know that A plus B plus C square is equivalent to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus AC. So we have A square, which is 20 divided by 3 plus B square, which is 50 plus C square, which is 60 plus 2 times of AB is 10 is 30 and AC is 20. So it will be 20 over 3 plus, which is 75 plus 2 into 10 plus 30, 40, which is 60. Then it will be 20 over 3 plus 75 plus 120. Then it will be 20 over 3 plus 195. So taking the denominator 3, 20 plus 3 times 195. So finally 20 plus 585 divided by 3, So it will be 605 divided by 3, which is a plus b plus c the whole square. So from here, a plus b plus c, which is equal to the square root of 600 divided by 605 divided by 3. So our final value of a plus b plus c is the square root of 605 divided by 3. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.